Today we'll analyze one of the simplest trading strategies, Judas Swing. This strategy works because the market first deceives you and then lets you earn money. Judas Swing is one of the most understandable and logical models in the ICT concept. It's ideal for those who are just starting out and are looking for clear, repeatable entry points. In this video, I will show you exactly how Judas Swing works, when it appears, in which sessions, and on which assets it's best to trade. It's a simple but powerful foundation from which you can start to trade consciously, without chaos and guesswork. In order to trade Judas Swing correctly, the first thing you need to do is set the time. Set UTC4 to synchronize your time with what I have on the chart. This is important. If the time doesn't match, you simply won't see the setup, even if it's there. I use this strategy only on EURUSD and only in a specific time interval, from 0 o'clock to 5 o'clock UTC4. Anything that happens after 5 o'clock is off the table. Judas Swing is a morning scenario that works precisely when London enters the market. Now let's move on to the chart. First, we highlight the maximum and minimum of the Asian session. These are our key liquidity zones. Then, the opening candle at 0 o'clock. You can simply draw a line, as I have done on my screen. This mark acts as an anchor. This is where the scenario will be built from. After that, we don't enter. We don't guess. Our task is simply to wait for London to open, because Judas Swing only appears when European volumes come out. We'll analyze an example from this week so that you can understand the logic of the model. Then you can do a backtest yourself and see how often it repeats. London has opened and the price is taking off the high in Asia. Here it is, the very movement, the Judas Swing. Most traders see this upward momentum and immediately go long. But this is a trap. It is at this moment that the market withdraws liquidity from those who do not see the structure and reverses. Almost immediately after the liquidity is withdrawn, the price reverses sharply and leaves behind a fair value gap. This zone will be our entry point, but only after the structure has changed. Without this, there is no entry. This is a mandatory condition. In this trade, the structure changed here, and after that, I simply waited for a pullback to FVG. I placed a limit order to sell, with a stop behind the candle that formed this gap. Take profit is set at the nearest liquidity zone. In this trade, I got a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 3.5. And as you can see, the price went almost without pullbacks, straight to the target. Let's move on to the next day, July 22nd. Everything is going according to plan. First, we highlight the maximum and minimum of the Asian session and mark the opening candle at 0 o'clock. Next, a downward movement appears on the chart. This entire movement is a big trap to lure traders into opening short positions. This entire area is the Judas Swing, a false movement that draws in sellers and then knocks them out with stop orders. This logic is key to the strategy. Lure the trader and reverse the market, and we enter after the reversal and trade the true movement. As last time, we wait for London to open. And what do we see? The market is withdrawing liquidity from the bottom just after the Asian low. Immediately after that, there is a sharp reversal. Exactly as we expected. Those who sold are trapped. The Judas Swing has worked again, but look closely. The structure hasn't changed. The price is simply rolling back and approaching the FVG, but it's not giving us the confirmation we need. If the price had risen above the zone and fallen to the fair value gap, we could have opened a trade. In this case, we're just skipping the day. Yes, the price went up. Yes, the setup could have worked. But if there is no change in structure, we do not enter. We do not guess. We do not get involved in scenarios without confirmation. This is what makes the strategy stable. Strict adherence to conditions. Not today? No problem. Tomorrow, the market will give us a new opportunity. In the meantime, we simply record our observations and move on to the next day. Now let's fix the logic and look at July 21st, the same EURUSD chart. Please note, we are only analyzing 1 week. I am not choosing scenarios from different months or rare examples. This is a normal week, day by day. This is how you can actually apply the strategy in your trading. Let's go through all the points. You can write them down so that you can later do a backtest yourself and reinforce your knowledge. We start as usual. We mark the maximum and minimum of the Asian session and highlight the market opening candle at 0 o'clock. The chart shows an excellent upward movement, a good trap to force traders to open long trades. This entire area is the Judas Swing, a false movement that draws buyers in and then knocks them out with stops. Now I'm just waiting for London to open and watching how the price behaves. And as we can see, the liquidity of the highs is being withdrawn. Immediately after that, there's a sharp reversal, which leaves the fair value gap zone. I mark it and move on to the next step. I wait for the structure to change. The structure has changed. Here. Now you can place a limit order to sell. As in previous trades, I place a stop loss behind the candle that formed the fair value gap. Take profit is set at the nearest liquidity zone. In this case, it is equal lows. The risk-reward ratio is 1 to 3, and I am completely satisfied with that. The trade opened and reached a take profit in just 10 minutes. After that, we see the price returning to the fair value gap zone and once again withdrawing liquidity, but at a different level. Our trade is complete, but the market continues to move. At first glance, it may seem that the scenario is not the same as on other days, and the price has simply gone up. But if you look more carefully at all this upward movement, it becomes clear. An ordinary trader who opens trades on every pullback too long falls into the trap again and again. Here's a pullback. Here's another one. This is the logic of Judas Swing. Drag into a trade, collect stops, and only then show the true direction. If you want to trade even easier, start with the OWL indicator. OWL smart levels are not chaotic signals. It is one accurate entry at the right moment. You just open the chart, see the entry zone, stop and take profit, and enter the trade. While others are waiting for confirmation, OWL is already showing a reversal. It works equally well on crypto, stocks, and currency. The rules are simple. The result is stable. And to get started even faster after you purchase it, I will send you the OWL Helper Expert Advisor, which will simplify the entry. The link to the indicator is in the description. To get OWL Helper, just write to me on Telegram. Hi, send me the OWL Helper Expert Advisor. I bought the indicator and the date of purchase. Now you have a clear step-by-step system that you can apply tomorrow. You know how Judas Swing works, how to recognize a trap, and where to enter based on the structure. If you want to reinforce the material, watch this video again and do a backtest for at least the last 10 days. You will be surprised how often the market repeats the same scenario. Subscribe to the channel. There are more reviews of other ICT strategies and real algorithms from inside the market ahead. Trading consciously is easier than it seems. The main thing is to know what to look for.